In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight on a PowerPoint presentation, a skill that can significantly enhance the readability and appeal of your slides. Whether you're looking to draw attention to key points, organize your information, or simply make your presentation more visually engaging, mastering the art of highlighting is a fundamental step. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's dive into this transformative yet straightforward process. We'll begin by navigating the basic steps to get you started, gradually moving into the more nuanced elements of highlighting in PowerPoint. The first thing you need is, of course, Microsoft PowerPoint itself. Assuming you already have it installed on your device, go ahead and open it up. The startup screen will present you with various options, but for now, let's focus on opening an existing presentation. Locate the file you wish to work with either through recent documents or by browsing your computer's directories. Once found, click to open it, and you'll be brought directly into the editing view of your PowerPoint presentation. With your presentation open, the next step involves identifying the text you want to highlight. Navigate through your slides until you find the desired text. Now, using your mouse, click and drag over the text to select it. You'll notice it becomes highlighted with a generic selection color, indicating that it's ready for further action. At this point, you're poised to actually apply the highlight. Look towards the top of the PowerPoint window where you'll find the ribbon, a wide array of tools and buttons categorized by tabs. Here you want to direct your attention to the Home tab if it's not already selected, as this is where you'll find most formatting commands. The Home tab is rich with options, but for our purpose we're interested in the font group of commands. Within this grouping, look for the small arrow next to the word highlight. This button is your gateway to the highlighting feature in PowerPoint. Clicking this arrow reveals a palette of colors that you can use to highlight your selected text. The selection ranges from soft pastels to vivid hues, offering a spectrum to suit every presentation's theme and purpose. Take a moment to consider what color best complements your slide's design, or most effectively communicates the importance of the highlighted text. Once decided, simply click on that color to apply it. You'll see the selected text change to reflect your choice, prominently standing out against the rest of the content. Now, with the text highlighted, you might ponder over the visual impact. The right highlight color not only draws attention, but can also enhance comprehension and retention for your audience. It's a powerful tool, so use it judiciously. Be consistent with your color choices throughout the presentation to maintain a professional and cohesive look. Should you wish to remove or change the highlight at any point, simply reselect the text, return to the highlight function, and choose a different color or select no color to remove highlighting altogether. I also want to share a couple of additional tips to further enhance the effectiveness of your highlights. Firstly, consider the background color of your slides. A highlight color that works well on a white background might not be as effective on a darker or patterned one. Experiment with different colors to ensure optimal visibility and contrast. Secondly, while highlighting is predominantly used on text, don't overlook its potential with other elements in your slides, such as tables, charts, or even specific shapes. This broader application can help create a more dynamic and engaging presentation overall. And there you have it, a concise yet comprehensive guide on how to highlight text in your PowerPoint presentations. By following these steps, you'll be able to make your presentations more visually appealing and communication more effective. Remember, the goal of highlighting is not just to decorate, but to strategically draw attention and emphasize the most crucial parts of your message. Practice with different colors, explore the use of highlights in various contexts, and soon enough you'll be crafting slides that not only capture but also hold the attention of your audience. Thank you for taking the time to improve your PowerPoint skills with us today. Stay creative and see the impact a simple highlight can make on your next presentation.